All right, all the pre-flight checks are complete, and I've got a new toy to try out, so I'm gonna treat you guys to a 360 view of an engine start and then the takeoff here from Goshen. Hope you guys enjoy. All right, those are all clear. Beacon, we are clear. Didn't have any chocks, and the covers are removed. Got at least 24 volts on the batteries, and we'll get started. NG oil pressure all coming up, NP is coming up, or at least 13% introduced fuel. About 3 seconds, we got to light off. Got to be light off within 10. We're watching for ITT to spike. If it spikes too high, we'll just cut off fuel. Ignition goes out about 38% NG. ITT comes down a little bit, and then it'll come back up. So we're watching for that spike not to go too high. And it looks good. NG is stable around 65%. MP is between 900 and 1,000. The generators are online. That's a good start.
07 Celsius. Altimeter 3043. Remarks. Density altitude minus 1,200. Goshen Municipal Airport, Goshen, Indiana. Automated weather observation 1859er Zulu. Wind 180 at 06. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 01 Celsius. Dew point minus 07 Celsius. Altimeter 3043. Remarks. Density altitude minus 1,200. Goshen Municipal Airport, Goshen, Indiana.
Alright, brakes check. Beta is available.
Low southbound clearance, Pilatus 921 November Golf on the ground at Goshen, request IFR to Golf Sierra Hotel. I'm sorry, Golf Sierra Oscar.
Pilatus 921 November Golf southbound clearance. And you said you're looking for your clearance to GSO?
Affirm.
Pilatus 1 November Golf cleared to Golf Sierra Oscar Airport as filed. Comma maintain 3000. Expect flight level 230 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 132.05. Squawk 7207. Hold for release.
921 November Golf, I am holding for release. Cleared to Greenville as filed. 3000, 230 in 10 minutes. Departure 3205, squawk 7207, and I'll be using runway 9.
Pilatus 1 November Golf feedback is correct. And advise number 1 already.
I'll give you a call, 1 November Golf.
Alright, 3000, 3205, 7207. Let our guys know I'm on their way. Alright, taxi lights on.
Fly-fied helicopter there, that's kind of cool. Goshen traffic, Pilatus Center, 21 November Golf, taxi runway 9er, Goshen. We are clear right and left.
Goshen traffic says 84 by kilo on an 8-mile final for 27, Goshen.
Sounds like somebody's practicing ILS approach out there. Do the stick pusher shaker test here. Pushes, interrupt it, check that the controls are free and correct. They are. Clearance, Pilatus 902 on November Golf, for number 1 ready for departure, runway 9er at Goshen.
Pilatus 1 November Golf, come and maintain 10,000, stop and altimeter 3043, and release for departure at Goshen Airport. You have a good night.
Climb 10,000, release for departure off Goshen, 921 November Golf.
Pilatus 1 November Golf, traffic 5 east and 5 northeast. 2 aircraft, altitude is indicate 2,500 maneuvering.
1 November Golf, thank you.
Temperature 01 Celsius.
Alright, Fat Eye Fly, flaps 15 for normal takeoff, enunciators are okay, amps are below 30, trims are all on the green, ice protection will come on, flight idle will get when we take the runway, lights, got amps verified off. Goshen traffic, Pilatus 921 November Golf, departing runway 9er, Goshen.
Goshen traffic says 84 by kilo on a 5-mile final for runway 27, Goshen.
Alright, they're 5 miles out, that's plenty far, we'll turn off to the right. Alright, flight idle. Pass is clear. All the gauges look good. Off we go. Alright, power is set. Airspeed's alive. Positive rate on the brakes, gear is coming up. And we'll take up a little bit of a right heading here to get out of their way. Got it, come on, taxi lights, landing light come off. And 1000 AGL, bring the flaps up. Goshen traffic, Pilatus 921 November Golf, departing the area to the southeast. Goshen.
Goshen traffic says 84 by kilo on a 3-mile final for 27. We have the Pilatus in sight, Goshen. stop at departure, medevac 91 Bravo Hotel, 13, climbing at 19.
Air 91 Bravo Hotel, stop at departure, inter contact. You should already be on course. Altitude your discretion.
On course and altitude my discretion for 91 Bravo Hotel.
Approach Pilatus 921 November Golf, off Goshen, we're climbing out of 3,000.
Air 91 November Golf, stop at approach, ident. Air 91 November Golf, ready to contact 3 miles southeast of the Goshen Airport. Correct.
That checks. Did you just want us direct to Otone?
Air 1 November Golf, affirmative, proceed direct Otone.
Direct to Otone, 1 November Golf.
Southwest 1337, cross Haley and maintain 6,000. Southwest 3093, I think if you have 2 radios, I think company wants to talk to you on 129.4. Twilight 87, contact Chicago approach, 128.2, maintain 250 knots. Alright, 21 November Golf, contact Chicago Center, 119.85.
Center 1985, 1 November Golf. Good day.
Great.
Ryan.
Hello, Chicago Center, Pilatus 921 1 November Golf, 5,300, climbing 10,000.
Pilatus 921 November Golf, Chicago Center, climb maintain, flight level 220.
Climb maintain, flight level 220, 921 November Golf.
Wisconsin 3727 at Halls, maintain 300 knots, the Chicago approach, 119.0.
We'll set a speed climb, or bug the speed to 150 knots for cruise climb here. Well, thanks for riding along. I'm excited to see what cool shots I can use with this 360 camera, and I hope you guys enjoyed. See you on the next one.